Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing our last part to the Sephora sampler videos that I have been filming, just bringing you along as I try the fragrances in this sampler so that I can decide which one I'm going to get a full size of, which let me tell you, it has been tricky this time. I don't know which one I want, but I kind of have an idea. So today we're going to smell the last few that we have here, go over them, and I'm going to be choosing most likely which full size I want. So if you're interested in joining me to sample some fragrances, just keep on watching. All right guys, so I hope that you guys are doing great today. Let's jump right in because I am so ready to order myself the full bottle of perfume and I feel like I cannot find the one that I want to choose. If you guys saw my part 3, I believe it is, I think this is part 4 today, I did fall back in love with Glossier You, so I want to give it another sniff today just to make sure that it wasn't just like that day. But I didn't really get that peppery feel that I got from Glossier You when I first got it. I'm smelling it today. Glossier You here in Arizona is like so pretty. It's definitely more sparkling and it doesn't give it a chance for that peppery, harsh feeling to come in. It's just light and airy and sparkly. I don't know. I feel like that's the one that I'm going to go with. But let's see what we try today. So when I do these videos, if you have never watched any of these, I sample these fragrances. I don't look for the notes. I don't read on them. I just smell them, kind of tell you guys what's standing out to me. And then we'll go over the notes to see if I was right about any of them or any of that. So today I have 3 that I'm going to go over. I have the 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods, which I have had multiple times. And this is a scent that's really pretty, but I think I kind of get tired of this one quickly, but I'm going to give it another whiff today. We're also going to be trying Replica's Afternoon Delight again. When I first got this, it was really nice, but then as time went by, it started to get more and more kind of like doughy and thick. It was the best type of perfume that I've tried from that category, but still, it wasn't one that I was using a lot. And then we have the catastrophic Juliet Has A Gun Miami Shake. We're gonna be trying that today. Pray for me. Actually, let's just start with that one. So Juliet Has A Gun Miami Shake. This fragrance right here, I was so excited for. I know I shouldn't have assumed that it was going to be like a second skin, strawberry, sparkly type of scent. I don't know why I thought about that. I guess I figured since they play so much with ambroxan and more lighter scents, I just thought that this was going to be like that. And when I sprayed this perfume, it was the most chemical, harsh, screechy 90s hairspray metallic vibe that I have ever smelled in a fragrance. I was just like, no. So we're gonna try it again today. I will say it fills up the room and it's harsh. That's all I can say about this one. It's a very harsh perfume. I am smelling though a lot more strawberry, but this strawberry is coming right along with this very thick, almost indolic, like something that it feels like it's stuck in your throat type of feeling. No. Now I'm getting the strawberry, but it's like the strawberry syrup that's just super concentrated to the point where it makes your eye twitch. It's very strong, but I will say it's better than the first time I smelled it. So I'm gonna give it that. It does smell better, but it's still not one that I would ever want to put on. It would probably give me a headache. I'm gonna stop smelling it because that is definitely going to trigger a headache for me. I kind of know myself. Miami Shake is just not for me. I will say it was better than the first time. At least I will give it that. So the main accords for Miami Shake are sweet vanilla, fruity, fresh, and powdery. The notes are strawberry, ice cream, and vanilla absolute. I definitely get the strawberry now, but it's more of like a strawberry heavy musk. I don't get a vanilla ice cream vibe out of this. I don't get a creamy vibe out of this. I get a syrupy strawberry musk, an intense musk scent out of this. I would give this like a 4 out of 10 right now. Nunca más. Let's do Vanilla Woods from the 7 Virtues next. I'm pretty familiar with this one because I've had it. I know it's vanilla pear and rose, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. I just want to see how this one smells here. Que flow to flow, que flow. Ooh. Definitely sweet vanilla, but I don't really think of vanilla. I think of like the pear. Oh my god, I think I might want this one back in my collection here because I'm really liking the way that that's smelling. It's smelling gourmand because it's making me think of something that I would eat, but then there's this woodiness and this like the woodiness in here. I love when this happens because see, Vanilla Woods was one that I liked, but it was not like, oh my god, I want to wear that or I'm intrigued to wear it. But right now, it's so interesting. It's like a little sugary. The pear kind of makes me think of like a pear pie or something. Okay, now I'm kind of divided between Glossier You and Vanilla Woods. I'm not sure. Let's look up Vanilla Woods, but I'm really liking the way that it's smelling here. I'm getting more of like that woodsy feeling. So the main accords for Vanilla Woods are vanilla, sweet, caramel, amber, powdery, fruity, and balsamic. The top note is pear, the middle note is rose, and then the base is vanilla, caramel, and amber. The amber in here is perfect. It's not that nasty amber that I don't like, and that amber kind of mixes in with the caramel, giving it like this warmth, and that's maybe why it's mixing with the pear, making me think of like a pie or something that's a little gourmandish. There's almost like a smokiness coming out of this right now. I'm very interested in it. So Glossier You and Vanilla Woods definitely caught my attention so far. And then last but not least, we have the Afternoon Delight from Replica, which I'm also very interested to see if it smells any different here. Let me know if you wear Afternoon Delight and like what type of climate you live in, because I feel like here this is just not it, because this is already a thick scent. When I had it in Kentucky and it was cold there and I would wear it there, it was already a pretty thick scent, and then here in the dry desert I feel like this does not go with the vibes here. It smells doughy. It smells almost like eggs, like if you're making a mix like for a flan or something. It does not smell good here at all. It smells almost like eggs, raw eggs, or I don't know guys, I don't know. Afternoon Delight has main accords of vanilla, sweet, powdery, woody, musky, and lactonic. The notes are vanilla, whipped cream, madeleine, sandalwood, and musk. So I'm going to end this 4-part series debating between two. So leave me your comments and tell me which one would you choose if you had to choose between Glossier You and the 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods, so that you could help me out. I'm kind of indecisive and I don't think I can make up my mind right now, but for sure I think it's going to be one of those two. This set also brought a Marc Jacobs perfume that I sampled with you guys in a different video, the Daisy Wild. It brings that one and I really enjoyed that one too, so that could be one that I also get. I just didn't smell it in the series because I had already smelled it in a sample with me video. But yeah, let me know which one you guys think in the comment section. Should I go with Marc Jacobs Daisy Wild, Glossier You, or the 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods? Those are going to be my top 3 for this set, and the ones that I'm kind of making my mind up to see which one I choose. So I cannot wait to read your comments. And with that said, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happen.